You may spot the giving tree, or find where the sidewalk ends, or turn on the light in the attic, but are you falling up? Falling up, falling up, it's a book that everybody passes up, it's falling up. Pick up your copy of Falling Up.
It was a moral story, you know. I don't know what the moral was really, but it meant something.
Pig plugged an electric toothbrush, Mitch plugged in a steel guitar, Rick plugged in a CD player, Liz plugged in her VCR. Mom plugged in an electric blanket, Pop plugged in the TV fights, I plugged in my blower dryer. Hey, who turned out all the lights?